So I think that's still valid, guys. Kind of slowing down a little bit here, trying to hold this level value area low. It'll be interesting to see how we open up in the morning. I don't care too much about the futures at night, but this will be interesting to see here. We broke the channel, we broke the support. So I wouldn't be shocked if in the next 10 minutes, by the time we're done with this session, they come back to this retest and then hit this and continue down. Let's see here. And we have a little bear flag now. I'd watch this here for the resistance hit. So the levels are still intact, guys. Not much to add from today's session. So I'll post the charts for people that didn't attend today, but yeah, this is our main level right here, 2x POC right now, 38.31. Something I'm watching for, and I'm already in 38.50, just so you guys know. Okay, so NQ. Reuse this guy here. Yeah, I'm in 38.50 for tomorrow already. Yeah, I grabbed those. Grabbed a lot of them actually. At close. Paid, I think it was 4.2. So this might be a nice bounce here at 2,000 on this. It's a pretty nice POC here. Look at that bounce on this. That's pretty accurate right there. Right off that trend line from the bottom. Now, this would be a super easy short here if you break below this level. And then here you have the breakout level. Let me see what is this? So below 12,000, we have this one here. Right here, and then below this, we have the VPOC, which is about 140 points. And this would be pretty good opportunity to short right below this. Oh, God. All right, let's do this. Man, it's such a nice double top here, guys. This is beautiful double top, man. There has to be a gap right here. Hmm. Ah, there it is. Okay, now that's what I was kind of looking for. So if we are able to short this below this level, we can go all the way to 287. Looking for this right here. Yeah. So ideally, this would be a good entry for a bounce play to get out. So short here Or if we see a nice rejection again here, take a short from the high end and short it all the way down to about 287. And then if we break this trend line, 285, you know we have about 6 points to the downside here. And the low of the day, or recent low, being right here. So this would be a really good spot, or even up here, if it comes back all the way to about 280, this would be a great spot for it. So for all my aggressive people, you could go with this, and you can literally short. Because at this point, if you're able to break this and retest, that means you have a lower high and you have a lower low, and then you can basically let it break, come back for a retest, and then you catch a little bit nicer move than 290. So you'd be able to short from 292.64 all the way down. Yeah, could short a little bit sooner. Excuse me, could short a little bit sooner here, right here at 292.58. But a really nice double top here. So you have a single right here. So you have a nice double top. Yeah, this is pretty good. How's the week? Yeah, and just guys, take a look at this. I mean, look at the size of your candle right here. Look at the volumes here. Then take a look at the volume on this one and compare the volume to these. Like, yeah, it's not. I mean, if you compare it to SPY looks pretty bad on daily. So if you look at SPY, there's definitely a volume anomaly here on SPY. If you check Qs, you know, they had a good 2 days and then it dropped in volume. SPY, not the best right here. If they could just push this a little bit higher, that'd be great. I would appreciate it. It would be a better short.
SPY's not looking too great tomorrow, huh, Shorty?
Well, so far it doesn't, no. Let's see what ES did. There goes ES, guys. The bear flag broke. So I honestly thought they were going to do this pushback. I think we're getting a flush tomorrow, guys. I think this could be it tomorrow. Let's see. So 38.75 test, as we talked about multiple times, is literally right now. I think that's where it's at right now. So it should be right here. Yeah, there it goes. It just broke that. So 38.70 breaks. This one right here breaks, and that's it. And I don't know if anyone kept any of those 38.50s from the conversation that we had, but I got them at 420. They're at 1,000 right now. So So I'm up $600 a contract, and I bought 125 of these.
How much are those contracts for?
They
They're
were
expensive?
$20.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I had a 50, I think. Excuse me, I was just sleepy. I spent 53 grand on Friday.
Ooh.
Very nice, yeah. Yeah, about 3850s at 4.2.
Wow.
Oh, they're 16 right now? If they're 16, man, that'd be great. That'd be a really nice payday.
Yeah.
Yeah, I might be making about 150K tomorrow after losing it quite a bit.
Good for you, bro.
So this is our level, 3866, and I hope for everything that they hold it and they don't do any manipulation and they dump it tomorrow. So this would be great here. I honestly was hoping that they give us one more day of pushing to about 39.61 to this level, like 39.40 to 61. I was praying to God they do this for us, but I guess, there's just too many people shorting. And there was a lot of puts that came in after hours on SPY. If somebody has any tool, you can look it up. There was about, I think, if I'm not mistaken, $16 million came in on SPY. IWM also got hit for August 19th. I mean, there was a lot of puts getting hit. So let's see. I mean, I'm not saying this might be the real hit, but so far, if this holds, we're not able to close above, 3,900s, and now you have a double top here. It doesn't look like a best setup, and this is what we talked about in one of the watch lists, that we might create a double top. And if you guys look, you have an inverted hammer. You have an actual real hammer here, and you guys know what that means when you're in a bullish trend.
Reversal.
This means a reversal. So now this level here that you guys are seeing is so crucial right here. Let me see, what level would that be? So it's right here, that level, 38.68. So this level is so important that they hold. And if they hold, oh, it's at $17? You're fucking with me, Kesson. Are you serious? Don't fuck with me, man. I'm gonna call
No,
POS.
it's 17.1 right now, according to TOS.
Oh my god. Hold on, the 38.50s, bro, for Monday.
Yeah, it's 17.7 now.
Oh, that is beautiful. I'm seeing 1060 on my side.
That's, I think, the one on Friday, like what it closed at.
Oh.
If you open the drop down, you can see the bids and asks, and you'll see its current price. You won't see it on the chart.
Okay, well, it would be great, man. I mean, it would be a really good day. All right, so anyone got questions? So this is our major levels tomorrow. We watch this, and then 38.31. Obviously, if you break below this, what I like to do sometimes, just look at the price action on 2 hours, and then you see right here, I mean, you see this cluster that we were able to hold before, right? You see the 38.14 holding multiple times. So this becomes, even though we don't have any like POCs or whatnot, but you can't ignore that level. Let me see. Holy shit, it's a 17.7? Wow. Okay, well, that's great.
There's a lot of resistance, support and resistance on that level.
Exactly. So 125 times, let's say, $1,300. Looking like 162K there. That'd be great.
Yeah, man, buy that fucking island soon.
There should be set up like a trading office over there, man. China free falling? Yeah, man, I need to have IBK or whatever. Guys, look at that 2-hour candle right here. This is a full body candle, and just look to the left, not too far. What do you see?
Trend line.
Well, what I see a similar from the same levels that we had. It's just that we made a lower high. We made a lower high here with a double top. That tells you that we are exhausted. And right now you have a full body candle. If we break this level here with the full body candle, well, I'll catch you guys right here at 37.55. And it could be tomorrow morning. This level here, obviously, so just pay attention to this level. I'll go on 3 hours. Let me go on Ashi candles because it looks a little bit better. Look how important this level right here is. This 2x POC. I mean, it looks on any candle that you look at this. It's really, really crucial here. This line.
So Shorty, couldn't you get in a contract that's maybe like 10 10 away from there, like maybe $400 or $500,
I'm not sure.
and
What do
still,
you mean?
and still pay you well? You know what
I'm
I'm
not,
talking about. Those contracts are expensive. They're what, 1,700?
no, I paid $420 for my contract on Friday.
Oh, okay.
Now they're
Oh,
17.
now they're 17. Okay, so
Yeah.
let's say that I was to instead of I go off maybe five away from the price, and get and buy it for $400 or $500 a contract. I
Are you
still
talking about like further out of money, like grab like
yeah, yeah,
3800s or 3830s?
yeah, further out.
Yeah, you could definitely do that, but you need to be sure that the move's coming. Otherwise, a single candle up and your contract's a toast.
Yeah, I got you.
So it's fairly risky.
Yeah, okay. Okay, buddy. Thank you. Can you check out Apple for me
Yeah, of
after
course.
after you get done?
Okay, KSN, you're blocked. They just ripped me off by 75K right there on the 12th.
So real quick, Shorty, that was basically bring the SPY down to about 375.
This right here, 3830.
Yeah, well, the one you were saying you dropped to tomorrow, you think? Yeah,
Yeah, if we drop here, it'll be 375, and those August 19s would go 1000% tomorrow.
great. I rolled mine up to 380s.
Yeah, yeah. I have a lot of them right now. I have 100 and something of those. So I just kept buying them. And now this is a super important level. We crush this. If we hit this week, those August 19s will be about $14 to $18 each. Which would be pretty good for us. And here comes a little bit more. Dumped it right now. Damn it, I should have just shorted it. Okay, let me see. We check the SPY. So here's SPY. I think we're below here, short below 387. So if we, let's say, hold this and then we break it, this is a really great entry. Then you have this lower high now kind of shifted here because we bounced right here. Shifted. So this level here will probably offer some support. So this might be the support here. And then if you look at this, I know it's on 3 minutes. Let me just go on a little bit bigger time frame. Right here, you have this little setup as well for a little bounce. And then you could play this short here for about $1 something, or just wait here, let it short, and then you would get about $3 something on the drop right here. And then obviously here, I think we get free space on a dump. So here's our repoc right here. So I think if we short here, you have about $6, $7 drop right here in between, which would be great. Adjust that candle there. We'll adjust this, see which one hits. Yep, so short below 387. If we open somewhere in between here, then you wait for a break, and then we'll take it down. I think we covered Qs, right? Yep, we covered Qs. I'm just making sure. Apple. Look at the bounce on Apple on this month to date value area high. All right, do I have to tell you, or you got it?
Lucky.
I just got lucky. That's of course, man. Let's do 30-minute. Might give us. Oh my God, Apple's ready to be dumping. I actually might draw this one a little bit differently. I just know tough trend line. I just can't make it up anymore. Doesn't exist. Then here, you got your epochs. Look what our note said. You see this, Cuban? I think you asked me about it last time, and look what it says. Go long to MTD VAH. So 142 to 145. I mean, this was your $3.50 right here. So I would definitely short Apple somewhere. It had this failed auction right here. I would probably short it right here. This would be my short level. And this would be my target. So you have $3.76 right here. And the way it would look. And don't mess this up tomorrow, Cuban. You should not play this week's contract. You should play the week after. I will put my stop loss literally right here.
I just might do that.
Huh?
I just might do that.
Yep, yeah. Play that. I will give it a little bit more time just in case they decide to do some fuckery tomorrow.
Yep. I'm gonna wait, man. If I'm not seeing anything really good, I'm not doing nothing.
Yep, that's how you're supposed to do it.
Yep.
And then here's, this is the area where you don't want to play as much right here. You don't want to be playing in this area.
Yep.
If we break this right below 141.27, then you get a nice dump.
Yeah.
So you would get like below this, you would get all the way here. But I think they want this 136 retest here.
Well,
they're gonna come for this bad boy here. Yeah, look at that. I don't think you need more than this visual right here. I mean, look at the short below.
Holy shit.
This is what you're looking for, Yeah, we're looking for this bad boy here. So definitely, I mean, I would put this.
Spy's got a skinny belly, I believe. When I put my...
Yeah, it's right here.
Yeah.
See where the short below is?
Yep.
It goes back all the way to our VCOT. So if we do short here, if they open it there, it's gonna be an easy short.
Yep.
And look at the futures. Keep going down, baby.
I'll be there when...
Now we're about to get a bounce here.
Yeah, they're gonna open at like 3,700.
Yeah, the auction just failed. Literally just failed right now. Let's see what they do here. Something just happened in the market, literally. Somebody said stop this carnage here. Yeah, if they bounce it from this level here, I would laugh my ass off. Definitely watch this. Amazon. what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you guys the simplicity of some of the charting that you can also do. Just naked charting. Let's look at 65 minutes. So let's do this the old school way. We have this level, which is super, super supportive on Apple. Super, super, super big. Then I like to do my hours.
Yeah, that's what I've been doing, man. Just
I
make
hope
it
you
trade.
guys. I hope you guys see what's happening here. Oh my God. Amazon, you failed this line right here.
That's a big old head and shoulders. Look at that.
Oh, they have no idea what's waiting for them here. And it should be there on 3 days as well. There it goes. And every person I follow on Twitter, they're bullish on this. This is their level. Let me show you again. I can find you 50 people that tweeted this level to buy. And look what's, okay, you buy right here. Okay.
Yeah.
You buy right here, so you can get smacked right here. And most people would not know how to sell it in between, in my opinion. And it might be even sooner, and it might be 119.57. If it goes to 120, that's a pretty decent move. $2, sure. But if it fails here, and the way a 3-day candle is looking, and you look at the 1-day candle, I don't know. I'm not too confident in it. But
Big old step right there.
here's your weekly candles on Ashis. Take a look. Yeah, from 115, it's a lot more reward than it is from 118. So if 115.55 broke and you got in, so let's see. What do we say? 115.55. So let's say if you got in right here on this break and they went all the way to 117, you still got about close to $2, right? And if you played it, let's say further out contracts, your reward is much better than buying it at 118 and driving it to 120. I have 5 points versus 2 points. So, but I'm more bearish than I'm bullish, but we'll just go with this trend line right here. One. I think I might just short it right here.
China's down 2.36.
Shorty, you could also join the top, the high up there, and make a triangle
No, there's a nice triangle here. Yeah, definitely.
up there, right? Yeah.
Yeah, if you do this, there's a super nice triangle here.
Okay.
Yeah. Yep. So I would honestly short it right below this POC, guys. Safe for entry. Where do you guys think safe for entry would be?
Right under the short. Right, a little bit after the short.
So here would be your, this would be a fairly good short level right here.
Yeah. Yep.
And then, looking at these levels. So it has all the way to about 111. I would, trim some here, and then you have a little bit of space all the way to probably. I would think they would want it all. Yeah, they want it about 109 or so, because I know there's a VPOC at 108. I think it's 107.95. Yeah, 107.95. Right.
Where are you shorting it from? What's
You
the
can
number?
short the red line right here when it breaks. This
Yeah.
is probably a good entry here to short it below it, or safer entry would be 113.4.
Yeah,
This here
113.
VPOC has to be retested at some point, and I don't know what other point when the whole market's crashing.
Mm-hmm.
Well, China has a lot of news with the banks stopping withdrawing money. They're not allowing anyone to withdraw money from the banks. That means liquidity issues.
Man, I tell you.
Yeah. So this looks pretty good. Man, I don't want to miss the video short this time. Ooh. All right. This is a dangerous level to short right here. I would probably short it here just to get away from this. I would definitely wait for that. And then, if you're going to go long, you have to go long above this POC.
Man, that range profile helps out a lot.
Oh, yeah. I mean, look at this right here. This right here is a no-brainer for long. $171 is really easy for long. Mind the video levels. I think we got Tesla here. This looks like it's headed back to 700. Like, no questions asked. It's going back to 700. I will look to short Tesla right below this level here. Tesla really dumps from this level here. Really will get ugly here. Yep, that's my short level right here. And then the get out level is right here, 690. Somebody safer, you can short right below 723. This level right here is super important to Tesla. Yeah, this is my short level on Tesla. I'll be watching this like a hawk tomorrow. All right, you guys, your guys' baby. Let's see if we break this level tomorrow, 2336. This would be easy short. See where we open up.
Hey, Shorty, do you think we're going all the way back down to the 2000 range?
On SPX?
On Google?
I think so, yeah. I don't think they're going to want to buy it. I mean, here, I'll just remove all of this. I just don't think they want to buy on top of the channel. People, yeah, hedge funds will never buy here. Like, why would they buy here when they know they can drive the price all the way down to this level where we were? If they do, I mean, it's them giving money away to the retail. And I've never seen that. So the split is July. There's no way. I think this will be the cause for the drop, is that Google is going to drive it. And what they will do, this is my theory, they will dump it up here, and the earnings, they're going to drop it even more through the earnings, and then they're going to get a major drive. So I don't have any shares of Google yet. I'm waiting for this to happen. I want to drop. If I can get it around 1500, 1600, that would be a great buy. Exact date of split is July 18th. No, it's a little less. Next Monday. Not this Monday, but next Monday. So for my aggressive peeps in the chat room, there's your 15 minutes. You can potentially short it right here, right here, and right here. Safest probably be here, 23.38. Just very overextended. Time to dump out. Tesla had the daily mid. I forgot what it was on TOS. Yeah, I think it was 814. I think you might be right. I just don't think if the market's dumping, right? Let's see. Did they defend that level on the auction sale? Yeah, they did. Somebody got a call. Some feds said change the tone of selling. The markets are falling. I'm telling you guys, the world is going sideways, especially with this Russia, Germany oil and all this. Here comes a bounce. Now watch CL. What is CL doing? Yeah, CL is really good over this level, 104.75. I'd watch this level here. I mean, even if you remove all of this now, when you go on like 65-minute chart, I'd watch this right here. I would definitely watch this right here. This should be my go long level. Whoa, how did I do that? Whoa, how did I do that? What? Freaking well, how did I do that?
What? What'd you do?
I have no idea. I pressed a button by accident on keyboard. Guys, in my opinion, oil is going to 160s. I guess these levels, some of these are good. I think we're going to be going to 111 very, very soon here. And then once we break this trend line, we're going to break it fairly soon here. Once we break this, man, we're going to go higher. Going to go much higher.
So if you think we're going to go to the upside on crude, then stuff like Oxy, we should be.
I think so, yeah. I think Oxy's setting up to be a really, really solid play. So, you know, if we can get Oxy, so if you think about Oxy, let's just grab this. So, so if we can, by some miracle, if Oxy comes back to $57, this would be free money for us. And from 57, we'll at least get a bounce to 60. If we're able to hold this gap tomorrow, you guys see the little gap it has? You know, there's a little gap here. If we come here tomorrow, this is probably a good buy here, guys. Let me ask you a question. If there was no issues with gas, why do you think Canada would be the one providing gas to Germany? If there's no issues, you guys are okay. What's the problem? Come on. There's a lot of issues with oil, man. A lot of issues with inflation, a lot worse than what we are seeing. A lot of issues with liquidity in the markets right now because U.S. dollar is just going up, up, and up. It's hurting everybody else on repaying debt because now they got to pay in a dollar. And here's your dollar right now. So I'll give you a chart so you can kind of look at it on the dollar. This is 2001 high. Do you guys remember what happened here?
Bubble.
Huh?
.com bubble.
No, no, no. No, no.
9/11.
9/11. So since 9/11, you know, I mean, since 9/11, we haven't been able to recover the value of the dollar. And then back in 80s, obviously here, look at the value of the dollar back then. So we haven't even reached this high of 121, which I think we're headed for right now. And then, you know, the next will be this. If we're going to all-time highs for a dollar, just add a chart here and compare that to the stock of 1980. Let's just look at SPX 1980s. If they have the data here. It was 19. Okay, here you go. So look at this. Look at the drops right here. 141. So about what? 40% loss. And there was a steep loss here from 36% loss. And I'm telling you what I've seen. Some of my friends that work with some of the like really big advisors. There's another 20-30% that we are going to have a drop in S&P 500 from the levels that we are in right now. So a 28% drop, you know, you're talking about.
Well,
Let's say you're talking about, let's say 30% drop. You're talking about COVID high, 2,500. My target is 268, and I'll be happy to buy there. So it should be my range to buy as well. And if you have the clouds on this, just look at your yearly cloud if you have it. I don't know if Sequence has it here. Look at your yearly cloud on SPY. The PPT cannot fuck with the hedge funds. When they start dumping and algos are afraid, there's no, well, PPT can't continue buying. And you know why they can't continue buying? Because they can't allow the inflation to keep going. They can't just keep printing money because it's hurting the other side. It's hurting people even more. So they have to allow the reset to drop and, you know, hurt one time instead of continuously people hurting. So, you know, they're going to have to allow it for a massive drop at some point. Okay. All right, guys. Well, hopefully you guys have some levels, some charts for tomorrow. I'll be live as well. So we'll see what we can do tomorrow. And I would not jump in a lot of stuff in the morning. It seems like they started some trickery here right now. Yeah, there it goes. Yeah, there was a failed auction there for some reason. And there goes the buying out of nowhere. So, you make a chart. Come to here. Or you have this level here. All right, guys. Well, you guys have a good night. I will talk to you tomorrow.
Thanks, Shorty.
Thank you.
Have a good night.